What's up, guys? Stay down here at this little roadside area river here. We're gonna do a little bit of smallmouth fishing today. I got two rods with me because we're gonna be wade fishing today. We got a little jerk bait tied up here, and then we got a little Kitech tied up right there. We'll start off with that, and if nothing else works, we'll probably switch things up a little bit. Anyways, check with you guys when we get fishing. Are they here? Don't know. Don't know. Just for giggles, let's throw in here. Got a Joe fly. My oh my, cannot lie. Let's see how we do. Thinking a smaller presentation should probably be able to pick up something. I'd be able to pick up something like a red eye or a sunfish or something like that. I'm not getting it out there far enough, but see if there's anything just lurking in there. We shall see. Let's see, guys. Come on, Joe Fly, get me a fish. It's a little bit deep right here. Let's get up into the shallower stuff. Just so you guys so you can see the action a little bit better. Stand back though you don't spook nothing. That ain't gonna work. What the heck? Gotta love a good old wind knot, huh? Shoot. Yeah, it's getting a little deep on us, boys. Let's see. Get out into some shallower water. We don't need to be getting a wet cell phone, guys. All right, guys, we have backtracked. We were fishing this spot earlier, but from the other side of the river here. We're gonna see if we can't pull a smallie out of here too. There's a fish. There's a fish. There's a fish. Dude, this is a freaking trout. This is a freaking trout. We're gonna keep him. 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 Look at him. That's what you call a fish right there. Check that out. That's what you call a surprise catch. Surprise, get out. Surprise catch right there. Well, we ain't got a stringer or nothing, I don't think. But heck yeah, guys, we'll find a stick or something to put them on. But heck yeah, got a little trout here, so heck yeah, let's find a little stick or something up here. I legit thought this was like a big smallmouth for a second, but nope, happened to be a trout. Nope. Finally found a sturdy enough stick to put this trout on, but I gotta say, this trout here's got to be at least 17, probably 16 or 17 inches, I'd say, at least. But we're just gonna keep him right here, and this dog here has been following us pretty much most of the day here. But basically what I was doing, I threw this jerk bait in there, and so they can't do that again. Might be a, what I'm trying to get is a smallmouth or something. Well guys, no luck with that Ned rig, so we put a Joe fly back on there. I'm kind of thinking maybe now they want the more, well, little junk fish here called the chub. It makes some good flathead bait though. Might go flatheading this weekend. Well guys, we got a mix of pumpkin seeds, like sunfish, smallmouth and whatnot in here. Let's see, catch a fish. There he is. There he is. Little, that's a red breast sunfish, I do believe. Heck yeah. I feel like Leo from Extreme Philly Fishing. We'll take a picture of him just for the fun of it, you know? Heck yeah, guys. Let's see if we can get another one. Alright guys, let's see if we can't do this again. Let's go make it 2 in a row. Hey dog, get out of the water. You're ruining my fishing. Psst, get out of the water. Well, so much for that. Alright, let's go find another spot here. Let's try here near the bridge. That was terrible. This time I didn't. Okay, good. That was a terrible cast. Oh yeah. Smallies in here want to eat. I'll see how big this trout actually is, so, let's see. He's 15 and a half, and let's weigh him. Okay, let's weigh him. Okay. Come on. Get in there. Ooh, gosh. .23, guys. 2.23, so a little bit over 2 1/4. Not a bad fish at all, guys. Well, guys, that's pretty much going to do it for today's fishing. We did pretty good today, actually. Surprisingly, we caught the trout. No smallmouth, unfortunately, but I still had a pretty good day, especially with this guy right here. But anyway, if y'all like more fishing content like this in the future, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.